Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to filter contacts in Pipedrive. By the end of this, you'll know exactly how to narrow down your contact list so you can find the right people faster and work more efficiently. Let's jump right into it. Start inside your Pipedrive account. On the left-hand sidebar, click on Contacts. This will take you to your main contact list, where all your people and organizations are stored. Think of this as your master directory. If it looks a bit overwhelming, that's completely normal, and it's exactly why filtering is so powerful. Filtering allows you to take a large list and narrow it down to only the contacts that match what you're looking for. This could be based on ownership, activity status, labels, organizations, or any other criteria that matters to you. At the top left of the contacts list, you'll see a button labeled Add Condition. This is where you create your filters. A condition is simply a rule. For example, you might choose a field like owner, label, organization, or last activity. Then you define how it should match, such as is not, contains, or is empty. After that, you set the value you want to filter by. Go ahead and click Add Condition and set your filter based on what you need right now. As you apply filters, your contact list updates in real time. This makes it easy to see if you're getting the results you want. If you need to be more specific, you can add multiple conditions. For example, you might filter contacts labeled as customers and also assigned to a specific owner. Or you could find contacts with no recent activity to plan follow-ups. One important tip: make sure your data is clean and consistent. Using clear labels and standardized formats across your team will make your filters much more reliable. And that's it. Just go to Contacts, click Add Condition, and set your filters based on your goal. In seconds, you'll have a focused list you can act on immediately. Use this approach whenever you need a more targeted view, and you'll save time, reduce clutter, and stay on top of what matters most. Thanks for watching, and enjoy working smarter with Pipedrive.